In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Schedule 1. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you beginner tips on how to start making more money in Schedule 1. If you are already on the late game or the end game, these tips might not help you too much, but they are essential in progressing through the game and making sure that you always make some quick cash in Schedule 1. So the main thing is that you should always try to charge more. Unless you are dealing with specific customers like Jesse, you can practically always get away with charging more for your product. So if they request a specific price, you can try going higher and higher. Keep the base price the same in your inventory app, but always counter offer any deals coming through your phone. Price things up by $20 to $30, and 99% of the time you will be able to score some cash on the delivery. So the price will be higher, allowing you to make a little bit more with each exchange. Another thing to keep in mind is that while overcharging is merely innovative business and perfectly above board, you can also make bigger gains by handing over less than you promised. As you start to fill the customer's inventory with the requested items or the requested product, you will see this acceptance percentage increase. So this maxes out when you give them everything they ask for. However, it can get pretty close with one or two fewer items depending on how much product they want to buy. So the more that they are looking for, the easier it is to short them. If you don't mind the risk of a particular customer, which is almost non-existent, when overcharging, you can make your inventory go much further by skimming a little product from the top. Double up with the previous tip and you will be able to save product and sell the product for more. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money on Schedule 1. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.